The logic for formatting this pyramid is likely going to get complicated, which means it's a great time to extract that code into a function. So the extract word in the field of programming or coding is something between to separate a code from a larger code, or to transfer. Yeah, somewhere between those. So anyways, it is, a function rather is a block of code that can be reused throughout your application. Functions are declared with the following syntax. We have function and the name of the function and the parameter of the function. Excuse me. So, the function keyword tells the JavaScript that the name variable is going to be a function. Okay. Parameter is a variable that represents the value that is passed into the function when it is used. A function may have as many or as few parameters as you'd like a for loop. The space between the curly braces is the function body. So we are to declare a function called padrow. So since we are going to make a function, we have to declare function, and then the name of our function would be padrow. And then all functions should have a parameter or an argument within the parentheses. And then the code block of the function would be, would have a curly braces, so that when the function padrow has been called, it would execute the code block within it. So nice, that would be it.